I am going to recommend you in this video a few websites from where you can get really amazing effects to enhance your videos, video music, and more. You can find the links for these websites in the description. So the first one that I've been using for years now in my work is VideoHive. And you can get so many video effects that it will help make your videos more amazing. Here we have plugins for After Effects, Premiere Pro, DaVinci Resolve, and more. You can always enhance your videos using titles or lower thirds or even transitions. Here you can also find YouTube end card templates to use in your videos. On the same platform, you can find YouTube graphic elements such as covers, thumbnails, and much more. Should you need audio effects or music, they have that as well. Another great website where you can find video stocks, audio, and images is Storyblocks at storyblocks.com, which offers a subscription for their content. Canva is, of course, another great website where you can create your thumbnails, add music, or some effects to your videos. Other websites worth mentioning are Pexels, Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and Freepik.